Here's our Memorial Day weekend forecast. Saturday up to 64 degrees, a few degrees warmer than what we had today. On Sunday, we're up to 68 degrees. And Monday, it looks like we're going to be topping out near 70. Overall, those temperatures aren't too far off what we typically see this time of year. And with the sunshine, should be feeling pretty nice out there. We are tracking, though, a small chance of rainfall, and that's primarily going to be for Saturday afternoon. Let's take a look here at our future track forecast. Not expecting much tonight. In fact, the clearing skies overnight into tomorrow will lead to that very chilly morning. As we mentioned, the National Weather Service has issued a frost advisory, so you are looking at temperatures dropping into the 30s, feeling like the 30s as well. As we track throughout Saturday, we'll see a few clouds start to build into the afternoon. And right here in the early afternoon, we are expecting at least a few sprinkles to start to develop. You'll notice very isolated rain across the state. Lots of green on the map means mainly sprinkles or 5 to 10 minute patches of drizzle. Not tracking any organized heavy rainfall, not looking at any thunderstorms. You don't have to cancel your plans for this weekend, but don't be surprised to see a couple of raindrops from time to time. As we track into Sunday, once again looking clear for the morning. That's going to lead to yet another chilly start to the day on Sunday. And seeing about the same thing for our Sunday afternoon. Partly cloudy skies moving in, small chance of a sprinkle. Though most of the weekend, if not the entire weekend, is looking to be dry. As we move into Monday, we'll see similar conditions, and it might step up, as we mentioned, to be a little bit warmer. In terms of total rainfall throughout this weekend, looking pretty low. Less than 0.05 of an inch is not very much rainfall at all, though, as you mentioned, sprinkle possible here and there. Our numbers today for our Friday, 58 degrees. That's well below average. Typically, we'd be around 70 degrees. Now, as you mentioned, we're going to get a little bit closer as we track into the next couple of days. Does look like our Memorial Day is right there on average. Overnight or tonight's forecasted feel dropping through the 50s into the 40s, eventually ending up in the upper 30s again tomorrow morning. You see our feels like temperature about the same. Winds have died down from the past couple of days and will continue to die down throughout this weekend. Our overnight forecast tonight, north winds 5 to 10 with a low of 38. See that frost advisory in effect through 9 a.m. Saturday. Tomorrow's forecast at 64, only looking at 5-mile-per-hour winds out of the northwest. Sunday at 68, Monday at 70. We're looking at a drop into the 60s for Tuesday, and 70s return for the later part of the week.